Lotus Lantern X app. So here is the app, which you can find in here. It's an intelligent app to control RGB LED strip. It can adjust the brightness of color of LED strip, also the music and microphone rhythm function built in many transition partners. One of the best apps for that, especially during autumn, winter times, where you can play with it. Super cool app where you can just adjust. Yeah, and then here you just have it. And then you can just see this how it looks like. You can just adjust the color just like that, adjust the brightness. You can see different presets. You can see classic colors in here. You can select just different modes. And yeah, styles, different styles, static blue, different music for Christmas, mic, where it can start working, adjust to your mic. You can set up schedule, time, repeat, schedule, and yeah, so that's basically the idea. And then your devices. And then you can just add and then you just kind of need to add it like that. And then nearby device, then you can just add it like here. So that's how you can just add it and the device in here. And so yeah, that's basically the idea.